Hello? It's me, the mayor. Yeah, baby. Hey, anyway, I've got an unboxing treat for you and also a little vloggy vlog. So it's all off the cuff, and when people say off the cuff, that means there are no outtakes, because off the cuff means no outtakes. You can't have an outtake on an off the cuff video, surely. But there you go, there's another. Anyway, look. Unboxing. Nice. Sellotape, no good. Now, I've been buying some CCTV cameras. Already got 4. But I want more. You never know who's around. Anyway, this came in a job lot. So in here, window door security. Another one. Another one. Now, these cameras here are the best you can get. The very best you can get. Micromark. If you need CCTV, Micromark are the ones to get. You can see and hear everything. There's a black and white one. Now, you can get colour ones. Black and white ones are the best because they're more definitive. Daisy, be quiet. So it's all off the cuff, all off the cuff. Oh, I have such a laugh, I have such a laugh. Oh, me and Daisy, this'll be an outtake for me and Daisy. No, it won't. I'll just do it, you know what I mean? I don't give a fuck. Who wants to see a fucking outtake of some fucking cunt? I don't know. Anyway, CCTV. These are the ones to get, Micromark. So I got another one of them. Personal attack alarm, like that. All their job lot. Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. Key fob, alarm. Key fob. Another alarm. Another camera. This one is a PIR camera. So it switches on as soon as someone approaches your property or whatever. So there's another one of them. Another Micromark camera. Another Micromark camera. And another Micromark camera. And that's it in that box there. Now what else have I got? Also got another CCTV camera. Like that. These are the best ones you can get, Micromark. I advise you to buy them. Now this one is Micromark again. There's wireless. Wireless camera. And there's colour. This one's colour. So it's wireless and colour. So that's a good one to have as well. Now then, I also got Daisy! It's all off the cuff, it's all off the cuff! Anyway, the camera that I'm filming with is this. People have asked me. In a Panosonic SD9. And it came from eBay for 54 quid. Absolute bargain. There are reviews on it and everything on there. I'll stick a link down below so you can see it. There's a review. Came out in 2008. Quite old now, but it's bloody good because I'm using it. Daisy! Anyway, VHS. I'm going to do this quickly because I've got a poker game to play. Highlander 3. Devil's Own. Jungle of Vienna. Meteor. Look at the cover on that, look at the cover, look at the artwork. Twin Towers there. Quite a good little film. Sean Connery's in it. I've never heard of it, but I got it off Angela in the group. A while back. The Fly 2 completes my set. The Unnameable completes my set to go with Unnameable Returns. Escape from New York. I've got the second one, and now I've got the first one. Amazon's on Medusa. Look at the artwork on that. On Medusa. Lovely. Unholy. I haven't showed this yet, but I've got it off Dean Pritchard in the group. I've got this from. Scumbusters. Now it looks like the entertainment and video of the Breeders, the same sort of cover to me. That's on colour box, that one. Another colour box. Blue Angel. Girl Trouble. Never heard of it. Up Your Anchor. Go for them bloody lemon popsicles up there. I don't know how many there bloody are. But it's lemon popsicle 6. Up Your Anchor. So there's 6 of them as far as I know. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 7. So that's I've got 7 of them. Amy. Soon, Amy, soon. There you go. Eagle in a Cage. Intervision. Lawnmower Man from Warren. Dawn Summer 68. So that completes my sex. I got the second one. I used to have this, but there's director's cut as well. Look at that. Exciting news. And then Games of Survival, which was also from Dean Pritchard. Look, there's me. Anyway, I think that's all I got. I think that is all I got. So, with that, I love you and leave you. And that was all totally off the cuff. There wouldn't be any outtakes on this video, I don't think. None at all. It's me tomorrow. Bye-bye.